Okay. Look at the three pictures on the slide. Each picture is an example of a noun. A noun can be a person, place, or thing. One picture is of a person, one picture is of a place, and one picture is of a thing. Let's look at our first picture. Is it a person, place, or thing? Superman is a person who can leap tall buildings in a single bound, so our first picture of a noun shows a person. Look at our second picture below the first. Is it a picture of a person, place, or a thing? A farm is a place. A farm is a place of land and buildings used for growing crops and raising animals, so our second picture of a noun shows a place. Look at the third picture. Is it a picture of a person, place, or thing? A chair is a thing that has four legs and people sit on it. It is a piece of furniture found in classrooms, houses, restaurants, and anywhere people work or live. Our third picture shows a thing. We have looked at three different examples of different kinds of nouns. We saw a picture of a person, Superman. We saw a picture of a place, a farm. And we saw a picture of a thing, a chair. Now we're going to work together to identify the different kinds of nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are persons, places, and things. As we look at the pictures, we need to remember that a noun can be a person, it can be a place, or it can be a thing. When I show you this slide, I want you to tell me what the picture is and whether it is a person, place, or a thing. Student responds, it is a guitar and it is a thing. Very good job identifying the first type of noun. We are going to look at another slide. What is this and what kind of noun is it? Students, it is Wonder Woman and she is a person. Very good job again. We are going to look at a third slide. Remember, you have three kinds of nouns. What is this? Students, it is the White House and it is a place. Great job identifying our first three slides. Now I want you to continue to identify the kinds of nouns by looking at the remaining slides of the PowerPoint. And I want you to write down what the noun is and identify whether it is a person, place, or a thing. I am going to show you the slide. You are going to write down your answer and I will walk around the classroom to check your answers to make sure you are identifying the kinds of nouns correctly. Does everyone understand the directions? Does everyone know what they have to do? Yes, students. Yes, we understand. The students view the slides of the PowerPoint and write down answers.